Happy New Year! Design your 2026 success blueprint step-by-step goal system with Coach Steph. Pause for a second and imagine this. It's December 2026. You're looking back at the year and thinking, wow, I actually did it. The promotion, the savings, the confidence, the boundaries, the peace. Not vibes, not vision board fluff, real, visible results. But here's the truth. Most people will set goals for 2026 and abandon them before the end of February. If you're done repeating the same year on autopilot and you're ready to design a clear success blueprint, not just write a wish list, this video is for you. Hey, it's Coach Steph, your empowerment coach. And today I'm walking you through a simple, powerful system to design your 2026 goals and actually achieve them. Grab your notebook, grab a pen, and let's build your success blueprint together. Number 1, set your 2026 vision. Before we talk goals, we talk identity. Who are you becoming in 2026? Ask yourself, if 2026 was wildly successful, what will be different in your health, money, career, relationships, and faith or mindset by December? How would you think, act, and show up daily as that version of you? By December 2026, I am the person who... Okay, so pause the video. Write that sentence for at least 3 areas. Health, money/career, and confidence/mindset. Keep it visible. This is the foundation of your blueprint. This isn't about this isn't about perfection. It's about direction. Your vision becomes the filter for everything else you commit to in 2026. Pause the video and spend a couple of minutes to do the exercise. We are back. If you haven't done the exercise yet, please pause the video and write out the sentence for those 3 areas. Health, money/career, and confidence/mindset. Okay, let's move on to the next section. Point 2, turning your vision into SMART goals. Now that you have your vision, we translate into goals your brain can actually work with. Use the SMART framework. SMART meaning specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, a vague example would be, I want to save more money. SMART one would be, I want to save £3,000 by the 30th of November 2026 by setting up a standing order of £250 a month. A vague example would be, I want to be more confident in speaking. A SMART example will be, I will deliver at least 6 presentations by October 2026, one every other month, and get feedback each time. Okay, so pause the video again and choose 3 to 4 core goals for 2026. Not 12, not 20. Focus gives power. Then write the top 3 SMART goals for 2026 that match your vision. Make sure what you write down aligns with your vision. For example, finance. I will save 5 to 8% of my salary each month, and so on. Point 3. Build your 90-day success system. Big goals sound inspiring, but achievement happens in small, boring, repeated actions. That's where your success blueprint becomes practical. Instead of planning 12 overwhelming months, think in 90-day chapters. Every quarter, ask, what does meaningful progress look like on each goal in the next 90 days? Examples can be, if your 2026 savings goal is £3,000, your Q1 target might be save £750 by 31st of March. If your speaking goal is 6 presentations, then your Q1 target might be deliver 2 talks and book the dates for the next 2. Then break each 90-day target into monthly focus, 1 key outcome per month. Weekly actions can be 2 to 3 repeatable actions. Daily micro habits could be 5 to 15-minute behaviors that are easy to keep. I can assure you, you don't need a complicated planner. You need clear 90-day targets and consistent weekly moves. Execution loves simplicity. Next point, design habits and environment that do the heavy lifting for you. Goals give you direction, habits and environment carry you there. Research shows that habits turn effortful actions into more automatic behavior, which makes goal achievement more achievable or more efficient over time. Use the habit loop called cue, routine, and reward. Again, the habit loop, cue, routine, and reward. A cue, for example, could be a trigger you already do, maybe after brushing your teeth, after school runs, after lunch. A routine could be the small action that moves your goal forward. And a reward could be something that feels good, a tick on the tracker, a short break, a positive affirmation. Examples, confidence goal. After your morning coffee, which is a cue, spend 10 minutes practicing a speech out loud. Routine. Then tick it off your tracker and say, I keep my promises to myself. That's a reward. A money goal could be, on payday, which is a cue, automatically move your savings amount into a separate account. Routine. Then log it into your savings tracker and celebrate that progress. Reward. Here are some environment shift ideas. Remove friction. Always remove friction. Lay out your workout clothes, for example. Keep your journal visible. Put your phone in another room when you need to focus. Add some support. For example, use some apps, calendars, or have accountability partners to track actions and get regular feedback. Following these habits will take you a step closer each day to achieving your goals. Remember, your willpower is not the problem. The system around you is. When your habits and environment are aligned with your goals, consistency becomes so much easier. Point 5. Review, adjust, and stay empowered. Even the best blueprints needs regular review. Skipping this is why many goals quietly die in the background. So set a weekly check-in, 10 to 15 minutes to ask yourself, what worked well this week? What didn't work well? What is the one thing I will focus on next week? Next, assess if you need to reset your approach each month. Look at your goals, your progress, and your energy. Do you need to adjust your strategy, your timeline, or your expectations? Remember, if something isn't working, you're not a failure. Strategies are allowed to change. You are learning how you work best. Remember again, your 2026 success blueprint isn't just about ticking boxes. It's about becoming the person who can carry bigger responsibilities, bigger opportunities. Again, remember, it's about the person who can carry bigger responsibilities, bigger opportunities, and bigger blessings without crumbling. Now it's your turn. Yes, now it's your turn. In the comment section, share one sentence of your 2026 identity by December 2026. I am the person who, for example, I am the person who will add value to my organization by taking and enhancing my knowledge, training courses, and you can specify the area. It could be cybersecurity, it could be data analysis, anything you choose to do, anything that I can do that will add value to the work I do, but also work towards a promotion, for example, in the workplace. Number 2, one SMART goal. Again, one SMART goal you're committing to. If you want support designing and sticking to your 2026 blueprint, check the description for ways to work with Coach Steph on a one-to-one basis. Again, check the descriptions for ways to work with Coach Steph from a one-to-one basis or coaching to group programs. Hit like if this helped you. Subscribe for more powerful empowerment tips from Coach Steph. I hope you've enjoyed this session and look forward to working with you again. Happy New Year and speak again soon. Take care. And remember, share this with someone who refuses to repeat another year on autopilot. Share, share, share. Thank you for listening. This is Coach Steph, your empowerment coach.